Welcome back to the channel, guys. To those that are yet to subscribe, please do that. Click on that subscribe button, like, share. Also make your comments. Definitely would love to watch out for it. Once again, if you've not subscribed, please do that. Click on the subscribe button. So this will be a quick analysis on NASDAQ100 for this week. So let's start with the weekly time frame. We can see the trend. It is actually a bearish move. I usually say it before you actually place any trade. First of all, you would want to know the trend for such movements, and we can see that Nasdaq is definitely giving us a bearish move. So last week we actually had a bullish move. I talked about having a bullish move last week, right? Well, price has given us that bullish move. Now this week we will be having a bearish move. We will be having a drop. That is what I want you guys to know. So it just depends on when you enter the trade. When is the entry point? Because probably maybe we are finished with this bullish move or not, but we will be having a drop. It just depends on when that drop is going to be playing out. So we are going to analyze it down to the daily time frame. So you can see that you can clearly see something like let's see it as a drop. Then you can take a look at this to be a correction. If you take a look at this, you see this to be a drop, right? And here happens to be a correction. If you take a look at this again, another drop, and guess what is playing out right now? A correction is playing out. So once this correction is over, that is why I told you guys that once this correction is over, we will be expecting another drop. It's either we expect that drop on Wednesday, Thursday, even maybe a drop is going to be coming. It just depends on when will that drop be playing out. So if in case you are interested in when this drop will be playing out, I'm going to put a link to my Patreon channel, right? You are going to subscribe, become one of my Patreon subscribers. Once you become one of my Patreon subscribers, I'm going to give you high probability trade that you have 70 to 90% chance of winning. Same thing with NASDAQ100. I'm also going to be giving you trade on NASDAQ100, right? If you have been following my channel consistently, you would have seen all the trade we've been taking that I usually put on this channel. You can see that most of our NASDAQ100 are actually elite. Last week also, we actually took a trade on NASDAQ100. If you go, I'm going to put the link. You can see it for you can see February 20 to March 0 March of 3. First of all, the trade we took was US30. You can see, you can go back to watch it to confirm if you've gotten to that level. Another one is USD ZAR, that is South African dollar. You can go there, go and watch it and see if you have actually gotten to that level. Take a look at what we trade on Monday. You can see it, NASDAQ100. We actually secured more than 70% of our profit. The goal was to actually hit a level of 12,200. So, but we actually got to a level of 12,150. Then we were able to take profits. When price dropped, price actually go up and it has broken above that 12,200 that we are actually predicting for this card Swiss. So card Swiss franc has not yet gotten to our target, but it's playing. This week we're actually going to get our targets, and we still have one more trade that is still running. Once we get to our profit, I'm going to be sharing it here. So if in case you're interested in high probability trade, come and share it with me. I mean, when you go to my channel, look for playlists. When you check playlists, you see all those trades that we've been taking. Most of you see all of our NASDAQ100, all the trade that we've been taking on NASDAQ100, most of them actually got to our target. So if in case you're interested in analysis on NASDAQ100 or the trade on NASDAQ100, just give it a try. I want you to actually give it a try, just a month trial. Just if after the end of the month, if after a month you are not satisfied with our trade that we are going to be giving you, you can go ahead and cancel your subscription. Basically, this is the trade that you actually had last week. You can see with these three of them, I've actually gotten to our targets, and we still have one more running, which we are going to hit this week. So if you become our subscriber, you'll be able to get that trade and trade with it. And when more setups comes out, I'm going to be sharing that setup with you guys. So like I said on this NASDAQ100, the drop will be coming. It just depends on when will that drop play out. Could it be on Tuesday? Could it be on Wednesday? Could it be on Thursday? Could it even be on Friday? A drop is going to be coming. At the same time, there is very much likely a liquidity will actually come out to play out to take out some traders. That is why I say, if in case you are interested, it is our entry points on NASDAQ100. Become one of my Patreon subscribers. The link will be in the comment section, right? So check it out.